already know. First of all, it's PML lifestyle. You know, not a lot of people know. So it's not about just having cars and, you know, getting things tuned, getting wheels. It's a lifestyle. It really is a family between me, George, Jack, Sammy, Rob, Jay Bell. It's the whole Platinum Motorsport family. You know, that's what it is. It's a lifestyle. You know, we started this almost 20 years ago, and we've been going strong. The Quickstrike's been going on since like late 2012, early 2013. We kind of got together, decided to do some drives, and then next thing you know, it just went like, you know, it snowballed and went to something crazy. And so we started doing what the Quickstrike is. Let's attach some charity events and do something for good. You know what I mean? Use the platform for a good thing. And today, we're here for Stop AAPI Hate, which is Asian American Pacific Islander Hate, you know what I'm saying? And as you know, what's going on around the country, a lot of hate crimes going against my people. And so what better event to do than a Quickstrike to put us all together and, you know, try to stop the hate and all the ignorance. You know, at the end of the day, really, nobody should be hitting anybody. And especially you shouldn't be hitting some old, elderly Asian people, you know? So, look, we got a good cause today. We're gonna have a nice little drive. Boys, keep it safe. We never have any kind of drama. And look, I'm just happy to be part of this PML family, and you already know.
Honestly, I don't know who the fuck to trust. Is he my friend or my foe? I'm a ex.
Oh, you ain't gonna make dog. Just meet us downtown, fam. We get in the car, bro. We 2 minutes from the freeway.
Shoot the wire.
What up, boys?
How you doing, bro?
Shit, it's all good, man.
Mustard FaceTime me. He's like, yo, what y'all doing tomorrow? I'm like, having a car thing. Why? He's like, everyone's talking about it. I'm gonna come through. I was like, come through. He's like, what time is it? 7? He's like, I'm like, yeah. He's like, I'll
shoot in the downtown right now.
Oh, no way.
But FaceTime Ben.
Oh, no way. Oh, I guess he went to downtown. I guess he went straight to downtown. 7's too early, you know? Even for you, it's pushing it a little bit. Alright, bro. Go ahead.
That's the shit got me upset. But at 8, then I found a leaf doggy. I'm smoking with side. 4-4, I'm a zombie. This a girl, but she want. These little boys think I'm cocky. My bitch real like Mary Poppins. Yo, bitch really got eyes. Smoking.
What up, it's Mustard. We had the Platinum Quickstrike, here to spread the love, let everybody know stop the Asian hate. I got a lot of good Asian friends, and we just here to spread the love, man, spread awareness, let everybody know stop the Asian hate. Yeah.
Any cause that we've ever had, our brother's been by us, and this whole Stop Asian Hate, obviously it's not about one race, it's about being one as a culture, you know what I mean? So it's unity end of the day, nothing else other than that. So great cause, we appreciate our brother being out here. He's a Platinum family member from day one, and that's how we're gonna ride it out.
What a tremendous event that just occurred. I mean, from this morning until now, the amount of people, the amount of cars that came by, and mostly, and I guess it wasn't just Asian community, it was all different races that came together with the same ideal, to stop Asian hate, to spread love and to spread unity. And that's what we were trying to achieve, and I think we achieved it. And I'm just so heartfelt to see so many people have the same thought. You know, that this is something that needs to be contagious. It needs to happen in other places. So we're very happy.
3. Stop Asian hate! One more time. Stop Asian hate! One more time. Stop Asian hate! Thank you all. We showed today that we can show our love in a way where we can share all this beauty with everybody. So let's keep this movement going forward. Love you all. Thank you.
Yo, what's good? We had a massive turnout, as always, obviously, but today was a little crazier. Ultimately, this is about unity. It's about peace. It's about love. Today it was about Stop Asian Hate, which is a near and dear topic to us because we have a lot of Asian brothers. But we have brothers and sisters of all races, you know. So again, ultimately it was about unity. We appreciate every one of you that came out and made this thing so massive. We appreciate the love, and we just got to keep passing the love and, you know, positivity out there.
Absolutely, man. For all our day one supporters, we appreciate you. All the new friends that we meet, every per event is getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and we appreciate every last person that shows up, supports for great causes like these. We love you guys, man. We had a blast. Thank you for coming.